there was a great earthquake, for an angel of the Lord descended from heaven and came and rolled back the stone from the door and sat on it. Matthew reports, and he's the only one that reports, that there was an earthquake. And it would seem that that earthquake happened while the women and the guards were still present. The angel was not there to open the sepulchre for Jesus Christ as he resurrected. This angel rolled the stone for the women so that they can come in and see an empty tomb. What a surprise! And this earthquake that Matthew reports must happen in our lives as well. You have to understand that Jesus is not dead. And also, you have to respond to this miracle. Jesus resurrected to give you and I hope of the resurrection and life eternal. Our way of thinking and acting cannot stay the same after this news. Jesus resurrected to give us an important purpose for our lives. We cannot be indifferent to the plan of God. God calls us to be fishers of souls. The resurrection means that as there was that earthquake, it shook the earth, we also are being shaken. Our way of thinking, our mentality is being shaken. We have to consider this miracle. It is true. It was a fact. There was evidence. There were witnesses. We cannot deny it.